In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to select where it says Make a Copy, and you can select either the entire presentation or selected slides. So if you had certain slides selected, in our case it just defaults to whatever one you currently had active, you would just name it whatever you want. You could save it to your My Drive folder or a different folder if you so chose. And you can share it with the same people that this presentation was shared with, and you can remove all speaker notes as well if you want to do that. Select Make a Copy to confirm, and then it should open up in a new tab here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.